Hey everybody, welcome to Jerry Rigged. Today we are putting in a shallow well for a cow watering trough. We're using a Hydra Fab drilling rig just for doing shallow wells and whatnot. And here's my father-in-law pulling in, and we're about to get started here. He's bringing some more water to us, and let's go. Yeah. All right, so here we have 9 rods going down into the ground, so that's going to give us a total of 45 feet in depth here. Each rod's about 5 foot, and this is basically us putting them down and pulling them out, and our next step is going to be testing to see if we have water. So right here we got all of our rods pulled up, and we hooked up our pump to start pumping up the well and make sure everything's going well. And at first it starts a little slow. It's got to get the screens all cleared and everything, but as you can see right here, we are flowing some good water. Another successful pump job here, and we're going to wrap it up, call this video done. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, hit that like and subscribe button, and we might do another one a little more detailed. Thanks for watching.